We're gonna go to Lower Lewis Falls. It's like 3 p.m. right now. It's gonna take us about 3 hours to get there. Let me see if I can show you guys really quick. Here is a picture of it. It is really, really, really pretty. It'll focus. Hopefully it focuses. If not, anyways, I will be tagging the location in the description box of where we went. But we should be there in roughly 3 hours. I will be bouncing back and forth between my GoPro and this camera just because the GoPro has a gimbal. It'll be a more like smoother video while we're physically hiking. For vlogging, I'll be on the Sony. But we just got in the car. We're barely headed out. It's kind of gloomy in Washington right now, but it's hot outside. It's like 80, I think. And I think it's supposed to be the same weather where we're headed, so we'll see. If we make any stops along the way or if anything interesting happens, I will go ahead and put it in this video. But if not, I'll catch you guys all at the location. Where am I going?
To Lower Lewis River Falls.
And why am I going?
Because it's our anniversary.
It's not our anniversary. It's our month-iversary.
Month-iversary.
He's never heard of this term before.
No.
But today is our 4-month-anniversary since we got married, you guys. We got married March 31st, 2021. Time flies. But my honey over here was panicking because he was just like, he had this crazy urge to go hiking today, and it just, you know, I was so tired today. I just wasn't like totally in the mood to go do something like this, but I'm like, if it puts a smile on this cute first.
But remember, it's 3 o'clock, so it's a really bad hour to go hiking.
Yeah, it's 3, because we should have gone like in the morning. That's how you guys know that this was literally not planned. We just left right now, and look at the weather. The weather is gloom and doom over here, but it is hot outside. Or it's warm, it's not hot. I think it was like 80-ish when we left. Right now it's probably like high 70s. We're just passing JBLM right now. We literally just left. But yes, it's 3 in the afternoon. We'll get there at 6. And I decided to go on this hike because it would put a smile on this face. Just stopped at McDonald's in Castle Rock, right? Right? Switch over to the GoPro because we're gonna make our way down there. We're gonna go running because we don't have much time to be here before it starts to get dark. for the record, Brian doesn't count me coming as being here. We have to go down this fucking rope. Again, him and his freaking yeah, you and your freaking ropes, dude. Oh my god, look at me. I'm literally like, I'm okay being up here. He wants to go down there. We have to cross all of that water. By the way, it's not like, it's not little, okay? It's pretty big to cross all the way. Do you guys see the people? All the way over there? Yeah, this guy's trying to go that way. I'm already cold. I'll be back here. We made it. This is the update. Brian got me to go down the fucking rope, and look how happy he is. But he won't get me to cross the damn water, so he's leading by example. But literally, what, 2-3 feet next to him, all that water is literally diving distance. You guys can see the color. Where it's brown, there's rocks, and right where it goes green, it's deep. So he's trying to show me that we can literally just cross by foot all the way over there to the rocks, so we could be legit right in front of the waterfall. If I make it there, I'll update you guys again. If not, I'll be taking the rest of my videos from these beautiful rocks right there. Alright. Do you see my crazy husband? It's so beautiful, you guys. It was definitely worth the drive, and also climbing down that rope, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, he's coming back with a stick. Where'd he go? Part the seas! It's so pretty. It's really breathtaking. It's massive. And I'm literally right here, my backpack, my hiking boots. So here's the update. He made me cross on the rope, and look where we are, right in front of the rocks like he wanted. My things into the river and have it, you know, float away, because your girl had her cameras, her phone, her GoPro, my life, literally everything was on there. On our way back, we're practically running a mile back to the car because it's obviously dark now. We roll down the window. It's dark. It looks creepy as fuck. At night, it literally, it's, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary here. At night. Oh my god, my husband literally recorded me. I look like I'm in a horror movie. Run, Sochi, run for your life. Yeah, you guys, oh my god. Let me put on my viewfinder. Anyways, I get stressed when I go hiking with my husband, and you guys know this. I put up the window before a freaking murderer comes up to the car. Lock the doors. Okay, but yeah, it's stressful when we go hiking really late. Yeah. It's stressful when we go hiking really late because we're running the trail, right? Because you can't see anything. And if you guys saw a part in this video, we kept hearing a freaking like cougar noises walking all the way to the freaking to the waterfall and back, and we were both freaking out. And then it took us a while to register, like, wait, I think this is like a sound from the waterfall. We have to Google it. It's a sound that you hear the entire time you're here, and it's so freaking trippy. It's the trippiest thing ever. It literally sounds like a cougar is like 10 feet away from you. Not that I would know what that sounds like, but you get what I'm talking about. Yeah, it was so pretty though. Just come in the morning or earlier in the day or on a beautiful sunny afternoon, okay? Don't come when it's gloom and doom. Don't come, I'm trying to put on my seatbelt. Don't come when it's gloom and doom. Don't come here late at night. That isn't, no ma'am, unless you try and die. Because look what the road looks like. Let me show you guys. won't see any cars going really up or down other than maybe one, like once in a blue moon. We only saw 3 cars going back down when we were on our way up, and that was like at 6. So let me, I'm blurry, focus, 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 focus. 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 No. Okay, let me start this over. A lot of you guys are probably going to be curious as to what the road conditions look like when we are leaving this place. So I'm going to switch over to my GoPro, add some music to this clip, just because this camera is super shaky.